Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out the swinging ball game. So, for ages 6 and older, safe material, 1 minute, I assume setup time, 2+ players, do-it-yourself stickers. Alright guys, this is what you get. So you get a red and a blue holder, you get your straps, you get your stickers over here, and of course they give you a manual to teach you how to play. Let's open this up here. So, just a quick manual on how to play. Let's go ahead and just demonstrate it a little bit for you guys. So guys, you run the strap through the back, and then you can adjust it and make it tight on there, for size for kid or adult, whoever you're doing it.